a perfect day in Denver, Colorado to demonstrate the production prototype of 2-ton M-cycle air conditioner currently operating at exterior temperature in direct sunlight of 106 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering air at 61 degrees Fahrenheit, consuming nothing but 128 watts of electricity. This is a production prototype for 2-ton double-sided 400 CFM AC, which been designed not just for the residential or commercial use, but also for mobile applications, RV, food trucks, tractor trailers. It can be operated via single 200 watt solar power panel and a simple inverter. 106, 61, 128 watts. The answer to the global warming.